We're ready when you are.
Well, we backed it up a little bit. Put it right out there. Back it up a little bit, man.
Gonna dump it out. We got it tied, got it made, got it weighed.
We're gonna put her over here, Dad. We're gonna put it over here.
I'd say right there. That ought to do it. That's good. Tell him pull up a little.
Pull up a little bit.
The tailgate won't tip it up and out, or you gotta have forward motion.
Well, it should, but our ramp ain't enough. Hold it.
If it keeps applying pressure, won't the ramp lift up or not?
We have to lift this back up now. Now if we go to close,
Will it go up any higher?
No, you'll have to suck the tailgate down for that to pick up.
If the jack was...
well, that picks up first.
Right.
Yeah, pick it up.
Let it back down. Let it down, it'll roll it out.
Let it back down. What do you think of that?
I don't know what you want me to do.
Shut the tailgate. Shut it. Okay, now let it back down.
Lets it up just a little bit and pops the clutch.
We may just have to go get... Actually, if we all push on it, it would probably come out of there.